What's up guys, and welcome back to Let's Look At, where today we're going to be looking at Space Engineers. This game is one of the free weekend games, you know, where like a game's free for a weekend on Steam, so I thought I'd try it. I did already record a video on this, which I'm not going to put up because it wasn't the best, and the tutorials weren't working when I tried to play it earlier, but now they are. So let's do this. Select it into, press V. Okay, so this is like the tutorials. Press L to switch personal light on and off. Okay. Press V to switch between first and third person. So here's our little guy. Spacebar to jump. Okay. Wah! There we go. C to crouch. Shift to sprint. Yes. Life support. As an engineer, you need to make sure you have energy and oxygen to survive. Energy powers your suit and jetpacks. Oxygen depletes constantly unless you are in an oxygenated environment with your helmet off. Okay, is this... No, there is no oxygen outside. Okay. You can fill your suit oxygen and hydrogen from full bottles. Pick up the bottles by looking at them and press T. Your suit will automatically replenish from carried bottles when it reaches a low threshold. So if we press this, we pick them up. Okay. So this is like a hangar door. Oh, this is cool. I saw one of these earlier and it wasn't working properly. I couldn't get it to open. You can refill bottles from oxygen generators that are stocked with ice. Oxygen generators are stocked with ice, so that's weird. Or from... Oh, so like you can create hydrogen and oxygen from water, that's cool. Drag the empty oxygen bottle you picked up in the last room to the oxygen generator's inventory. On the right side of the screen it will automatically be filled to 100%. So we go to this. Okay. So we take this oxygen bottle to where? Here? In the top bit? Oh, there we go. Press K again to close it, I take it? Cool! When ready to proceed, look at the right button and press button 4 to open the door. That is button 4. Oh, cool. I love the design for these hangar doors, they're cool. Now the tutorial works, I'm actually quite enjoying this a lot more. Like, the reason I'm not going to put up that first video was I think I was unfairly harsh on it just because the tutorial wasn't working, so like I had no idea what I was doing. You can recharge energy, oxygen and hydrogen from medical rooms, but oxygen and hydrogen is only available if the medical room is conveyor connected to an oxygen generator or storage tank. Look at the medical panel with a red cross on it and hold T to recharge. Look at the user interface window at the bottom left of the screen to see your energy and oxygen increase. This one? There we go. The cryo chamber to the right can be used to recharge energy and also oxygen and hydrogen if connected to a generator storage tank. Press T to exit a cryo chamber. Oh. So can you like do that for long distance journeys? Oh, is that something they're adding? That's cool. What door button do I use? Is it 4 again? Try 4. Empty, empty, empty. Hangar doors. I'm really enjoying this. This is a really made tutorial. I'm glad this is working because like the last time I was quite disappointed because I was like, you know, I thought this game would be more tutorial based, but this is actually very helpful indeed. Like trying to work out the controls myself. Like I know what a jetpack button is. It's that one? No. This one. I don't have a jetpack apparently. Seats, flight seats, and control stations allow you to recharge energy. Press T to press the seat. Switch to... Oh, I can! That's cool. Oh, is this just the view in the base view? Yeah, look, you can view, like... Here we are. We're in, like, a... Oh, this is cool. A really cool base, actually. So, yeah. The point of this game is you're an engineer in space. You're building, you know, your own space stations, your own shuttles. It's kind of like a voxel-based thing. So it works on, like, the same sort of tech that a game like Minecraft works on, but obviously to a much more advanced degree. Okay, let's see what button we have to press here. 1. I really love this door scheme, it's really cool. That's really cool. I'm actually enjoying this. Cockpits recharge energy and hydrogen. Press T to need to be conveyor connected to a generator or tank to supply oxygen and hydrogen. Okay. Why is that just floating in space? And then if we go to view, V? Oh, can you not go change to a different view while you're... that's strange. I thought you'd be able to switch to a different view. It could just be a bug. This game is still, you know, an early access game. It's a very polished one. So it's one of those early access games where it's still regularly updated, and it's... I think it's polished enough that this could be a full game already. I tried this before when it was free, but it was on my laptop back then and it didn't work because it was too high spec for my laptop, but it works and runs really nicely on this computer. Press K while looking at the cargo crate's control panel. Drag the grinder tool to your inventory to the left side of the screen. Grinder tool. Cool. Press G to access the toolbar config menu. Select the character tool tabs and control click or drag the grinder. Oh my god, you can control click. Have a grinder tool. Is it? See, I didn't know this. Grinder. Wait, what? Control. I'm confused. By selecting G, select character tools and control click. Okay. Drag the grinder to your toolbar at the bottom. Oh, there's already one there. I see. G. Okay. Grind through the armor wall ahead by selecting a grinder and holding the left mouse button. So this can be used to like destroy blocks. So now you're getting to see more the voxel part of it, as it were. But the thing I like about it is, you know, it's got that going on, but at the same time, like, this is voxel based, but you wouldn't think it just from looking at it. I mean, you maybe would in this area, but like, it's still smooth edges. It's a very impressive game. Access the cargo crate below to pick up components and weld tool. Can drag or control click them to your inventory. Okay, so we can control click stuff to take it. Oh no, I want that. Okay, knowing that's very useful. This is, having this tutorial is making a big difference in my opinion of the game. Like, when I tried it and there wasn't one, I was thinking this game's rubbish. Add the welder to your tailbar, it's already there, isn't it? 4, yeah. Press G to access the toolbar config menu. Repair the button panel by selecting your weld tool and holding the left mouse button. Once you're prepared, press T to use the buttons. There we go. And we'll fully finish it off. Oh, I know. There we go. And then we press the T button and the door opens. So you can do stuff like with computers, you can make conveyor systems, so you have like automated mining ships and stuff. It's a very cool game. It's something I think we could definitely do, you know, a lot with as a series. Oh, look at that. I love the windows and that you can have. Just look at that. So this new update adds planets and stuff, which is really cool. 12. Uses the hand drill to tunnel through the rock and reach the other side. That's 11. Oh, actually take the hand drill. No, I won't take the uranium, I don't need it. Okay. Still not entirely sure on the buttons, so bear with me if I do. Press... Pick up more ore by pressing T. Press right mouse button to dig a large tunnel. Oh, that's interesting. So it's different controls based on what we're digging. Oh, that's interesting. So... here we go. If I put our lights on that we've got. You have to be really close to mine, apparently. How did you get these stairs in behind this rock? Am I overthinking this? Okay, so there's a bit down here. Or is this ice? It might be ice, actually. So here we go, we're digging through this now. Come on, get some of them into the road. And this is more... That's more if you want ore and stuff. Okay. Come on. Cool. So you now mined out a tunnel. Press T on the small blue panel to open doors. Okay.
Objective complete.
Yay! We did the tutorial! Now quickly, straight out the window. Left control, left mouse. To dismount target. I don't get what that means, but okay. Exit the main menu. Yeah, why not? New world. There's more tutorials, so we're gonna try them out. Inventory and terminals. Let's try that. See, already I'm getting a much better hang of it, because like before I had no clue what I was doing. Okay. Sprawn, you've been selected to faction. Yay, we're in a faction. Guys, we're in a team. So here we go, we're outside. Pick up some of the rockets below by looking at them and pressing T. Once you can see them in your inventory by pressing I. Okay, so I does inventory, that makes sense. Having T be the pickup button is weird. I'm so used to it being like E. I. Okay, 18 rockets. Approach the square conveyor hatch on the rear end of this missile block. You will see a yellow square with triangles in each corner. Press K to access the cargo. If your personal inventory is on the left of the screen, the rocket inventory, drag the missiles into the rocket launcher. Okay. Can I just control click them over? There we go. K. Free. Oh, wait a minute. Free. When the rocket has loaded, when you have loaded the rocket, press button 2 to fire. Blast a hole in the stone wall so you can walk through. Oh shit, this is gonna be cool. Fire! Fire! Fire again. Good show! We can get through that probably. Yeah, no brawler. And so you can recharge the engine by using the seat. Press T when looking down. Okay, pressing the... Okay. What are you doing? Let's look at the station from afar. Quite a nice wee station. Her oxygen didn't recharge, that's worrying. Here you go. Try not to walk on the components that could get kicked away. It should be... Turn it off when you have picked up... Okay. Don't walk on them. Come on. Okay. Approach closely and look at the center of this cargo container, blah blah blah. And show me your inventory to the cargo container. Okay. Now what? 6. You load the components in the container, press button 1 to turn the welder on. Order and build components. Wow! So it builds stuff. You can build stuff automated. Press 4. Oh, that's cool! Oh, I like this game. Need components in your inventory to be able to place blocks. Place light armor. Retrieve state from this cargo container with the K button and drag the steel plate to your inventory. I'm just going to control click. Because now that I know I can do that, that's a lot faster. Okay, so we want number 8. You need components in your inventory to place blocks, armor, reply secure plates. Place armor blocks above this panel. Add the light armor block to your toolbar by pressing G. Then right click the light armor block or drag it to the toolbar at the bottom of the screen. Select the block by pressing its corresponding shortcut number and then left click. Okay, so armor blocks, light armor block. Okay, so if we close that by pressing G, press 1, we've got that out, so we can now place a bridge of them across, as I assume is what we want to do. Here we go, there's 1, 2, oh come on, here we go, 3, almost there, 4, oh here we go, yay, we made it guys, 0. What was the last number? 8. Access the control panel and locate the small reactor. Press the button labeled on to supply power to the connected station. Is this button? Oh, 10. Control panels can be found on many different blocks. They all work the same way and give systems access to connected blocks. The blue panel below is a control panel. Access the control panel by looking at its center, and when you see the yellow square effect, press K. Confusing. The panel below will display the next instruction when the power station is turned on. Okay. So we... Small reactor... On! No wait, on! So now, yes! We did it! Now the power is on, access the control panel and locate the group Rotor's Bridge. Press the button labelled reverse and exit. So by pressing K to see the effects. Groups are away. Apply settings to... Okay, Rotor's Bridge. Okay. Rotor's Bridge. And it was, what was it? Reverse. Whoa! Oh damn, this is awesome! Look at us go! 12. Here we go, is this the end of the tutorial?
Objective complete.
Oh, sweet! We did it! Exit the main menu. We'll try the third one. New world tutorials, world free energy. Tutorial free energy. The only time you have too much fuel is when you're on fire. I quite like that quote. Yeah, respawn. Sectors into faction. Good. I'm gonna take a drink before I start up. Now that now that tutorials are working, I'm having a lot more fun with this. I'm considering buying this and playing it more. Suit energy must be recharged frequently. If it runs out, your suit cannot maintain thermal regulation in space and has no power to operate tools. This can be done at medical room. Look for the medical panel and hold T to replenish your energy. This can be done at medical room. Look at the medical panel and hold T. Oh right, is that just telling me that, not expecting me to do it? Oh wait, no, here we go. So if I go here and hold down T, I replenish my energy. There we go. Use also replenish when sitting in a cockpit, seat, flight seat, or control station. Enter a seat or cockpit and press T. Okay, so the recharge is automatic if I... Oh shit, I need to expend some energy. Shazam! Okay, I can't. It's not gonna run out quickly enough. I'm gonna look at the flight seat. Look at that! That's our ship. That's cool. Anyway, Power is transported for any block connected to a power source. Okay, power does not transfer through asteroids. To proceed, take some uranium from storage and place it in the reactor by the hangar doors. Okay. So we need to take some of this uranium, by which I mean all of it, and transfer it so it doesn't transfer through non-place blocks, basically. A G. A K. There you go. Which now activates this button, which means we can open the door. I understand! 4. Solar panels generate a small amount of power without needing uranium. It must be exposed to sunlight. Depending on the position of the solar panel relative to the sun, they will generate a variable amount of power. Red lights is no power, 4 lights is green. Maximum. Activate the pistons to expose the pellets. This provide power to open the blast door. Okay. Let's watch. Oh, this is pretty. 1, 2, 3. He's getting 3. These guys aren't getting as much. So actual placement of stuff is important relative to your sun. Oh, that's cool. God, this blast door thing's cool. 6. Batteries allow you to store generated power for later usage and are good for meeting periodic demands combined with solar panels. Okay, it's a good idea to have some backup batteries fully charged in case of power emergencies. That's a good idea. Why is this here? Oh, I think it is a new thing. Set one of these batteries to just charge power, access control panel, and click the semi-auto box. That's not the button I wanted. This one. Okay, semi-auto. So that now means, okay, so it'll give stuff power if it needs it, I take it. Oh no, it's T, okay. There we go. 8. Merge blocks can join 2 separating grids together, aligning the building lattices with which is useful for connecting separate ships. They require no power to function. Advantages they have over other connectors is that they require no power to function over connectors which need both sides to have power. Once merged, most grids are seen as one, allowing power to flow through. So what am I to do here? Is there a button I press? What's this? Oh, I see. So we have to extend this piston, which will then force that together to connect up our 2 grids. Oh, okay. I like the connectors actually, like giant space plugs. So then this will power this. Cool. Oh, I like this game. Okay, oh, now we have power to extend this. Well, that's neat. Across the piston bridge we go. For here. 9. Pick up weld tool and steel plate here. Okay, that's the most steel plate I can take. What does it say? Supply power to the far side by connecting a line of blocks along the stage. Okay, so we need to connect this side to this faraway side. So, if we go to inventory, no that's not it. If we go to G and control click that, yeah, right click rather, excuse me, and go to 1. 1. So I suppose I have to actually finish the blocks for it to work. Or do I not need to finish them? I sort of assumed I did. Is that powered now? Oh. I don't see why I needed the welder then. What does that say? Close first door, trigger now. Oh no, that's not what I wanted at all. Open final door, trigger now. Hey!
Objective complete.
Yay! Thank you, sound block and sensor. Exit the main menu. How long have we been recording? A little bit. Let's keep going. Let's do oxygen. Would you like to watch a video before tutorial starts? On now? No, never mind. That's not what I expected it to be at all. That was weird. Respawn. Just explaining how oxygen is fine. So we need to go and pick up our hand drill. Okay. I'm very quickly learning the controls. Use your hand drill to mine ice with left mouse button and T to pick up the blocks of ice that fall out. Okay. Can I pick up these? Yes, I can. Come on, block of ice. Can I pick up this tiny little piece that's rolling away? No, I don't think I can. So this is the one thing I do like about it, is even though it's grid based, it's like not at the same time. You know, it's not like very blocky like Minecraft. It's like a, you know, it's got a smooth edging thing going on.
Inventory full.
Oh, my inventory's full. Okay. Free. Oxygen generators will produce oxygen when ice is placed in the inventory. You have to mine all the ice, just pick up loose rocks. You know, you could have told me that. Oh my god, I have a lot of ice. Can I just drag the whole lot? Here we go. I didn't realise how much ice I'd picked up. I don't even know what button I just pressed. General oxygen. When pressurized environments, it's safe to remove your helmet by pressing J. However, this tutorial is supposed to keep your helmet on. Air vents will light up green when in a sealed environment. Multiple green lights indicate the density of breathed air. A light indicates the air is not airtight. Okay. 4. Generators will produce oxygen from ice placed in inventory. Processed oxygen can be dispersed into sealed interiors with air vent blocks. Turn on the air vent by pressing the nearby button panel. Did I do it? I think so. How'd I open this door then? Is that it? I mean, there's stuff. Oh, here we go. Oxygen high. So there is oxygen in here now. So if we take our helmet off, it doesn't matter. Oh my god, we can actually see our guy. We can actually see if we take our helmet off or not. That's cool. Oh, put our helmet back on. We're going outside. I also put on my jetpack on, which I didn't mean to. There we go, back to V. 100% fuel this room with oxygen to proceed. Oxygen farms are slow to fill rooms, but require no ice. Oh, okay, so that's an oxygen farm. Oh wow, what's this? Open the roof and deploy the oxygen farm by pressing 2 to fill exposing the oxygen farm to sunlight. Oxygen farms will constantly generate oxygen when exposed to sunlight. Oh god damn it, not key. There we go. Oh, here we go. Oh, I love things like this. This should go up extremely fast now. Oh, they're getting put up as well, that's cool. bit more oxygen in the oxygen generator thing while we're waiting. That's going to be a while.
Inventory full.
God, inventory full already. Jesus, how much ice is there? Let's pick up some more.
Inventory full.
There we go. I should keep that busy for a while. There we go. 87, 88, 89, 1992. Quick sneak through. Yay! Use a seat to recharge suit energy if necessary. Yeah, we might do that. Yep. Vents can be used to depressurize areas and recover air into empty storage. Allows for less waste voltage. Oxygen tanks are set to stockpile oxygen so you can have a backup supply in case of emergency. The ones you see here are full. Turn stockpile mode off and set the vent to pressurize to fill the windowed area. Button 2, then button 4. Okay, so that's oxygen stockpile off. And then depressurize off. Did I do it? Apparently I did. Oxygen level's high, I'm just going to take off my helmet. Means our suit oxygen won't run out. Okay, oxygen bottles can be filled. Oxygen generators. Hold on, helmet on. Oxygen generator tanks can also be built into small ships to carry supply directly to the cockpit. Oxygen bottles can also be refilled from small oxygen generators and oxygen tanks, but oxygen bottles are too large to fit through conveyor tubes. Okay. Is this one full? Gotta take 2 actually. And there we go. So I now get out oxygen. Oh great, there's a room right here. Pick up weld and steel tool. Okay. Okay. Finish welding the armor blocks to create an airtight seal in this room to proceed. F4. There we go. Not all blocks form airtight seals. You need me to conduct your own tests when building personal projects. If you encounter this problem, experiment by building armor blocks around suspected leaks to try and identify the culprit. Okay, that makes sense. Is it? Am I done? Oh, I am. I didn't turn my jetpack on.
Objective complete.
Must have accidentally brushed it. There we go. Objective complete. Exit main menu. Yeah, save, whatever. Oh, I think we'll do one more tutorial. It's the next tutorial anyway. Or refining components. Let's do that. Basis. No, thank you. No video this time. Scientific discovery and scientific knowledge have been achieved only by those who... Oh, never mind. Never mind, we're Max Planck. Yay! Like that comes up every time. Pick up hand drill from this cargo container. Why is there 2? 6. Use your hand drill to mine ore by holding the left mouse button and then pressing T to pick up. It will not yield usable or it takes a wider space while tunneling. Okay. Refiners can process all types of ore. Ores process at different speeds and some are very slow. You can reorder the refiners. There's only one stack is processed at a time. Stack closest to the left. Okay, we'll deal with that later. Time to go mine some ore. Whole bunch of nickel ore. Then let's go stick it in the refiner. Here we go, straight in the middle. Picking up a whole bunch of silicon. Look at that! Look at that destruction physics. Oh, it's so satisfying to play, actually. Oh, definitely gonna get this. Let's run back over here and deposit that. And have all that. Now let's get what's left. Is it iron? Yeah, it is iron. Guess that because it was like reddish. Which is almost always iron in these kind of games. Any sort of like reddish metals is inevitably iron. That's what I mean, look at that! I mean, that is a bit more square than some of the other ones. Let's take this back. I mean, just the way they bend and contort I find very satisfying. Let's pick up a whole bunch of iron. Yep, and more beasts, and then run over. Whee! Let's swap the silicon for the nickel. Okay. The assembler manufactures components from refined elements. It will attempt to pull required elements from accessible storage. Give the components required by accessing the control panel. Okay. Selecting the production tab. The sub-tab, components, should be selected, then select the components required to add them to the assembled build queue. We need 15 steel plate, 2 computers and 4 motors. We'll do that first. 15 steel plate, 2 computers and 4 motors. Production. Okay, I've already forgotten what I was meant to do. Click queue up the components required by selecting the control panel, okay, and then selecting the production tab, then components. Production. There we go, components. What do I need? 15 steel plate and 2 computers. Production, steel plate. 15 steel plate, 2 computers, which which is probably like a computer chip, I guess. What else do we need? 4 motors, 4 large steel chip, 4 motors, motor, 4 large steel chip, 4 motors, 4 large steel chip, and 10 construction components, whatever they may be. This thing? Metal grid. Construction components. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Was that 10 construction components? Yeah, there we go. So now we just have to wait for our metal to process. Let's try changing the order again to get some refined iron in here. And, you know, we may as well collect some more stuff while we're waiting. I think we need more nickel, so let's get some of this. Go. Just really drilling up a storm now. Oh my god. Oh my god, we have a lot of these. And you, and you. So the other good thing about this game, in my opinion, is you can play it as like a multiplayer thing. So I think it would be quite good for things, well, like multiplayer. Okay. Just drag it all. So iron doesn't take long at all. Iron's very fast. Let's go see what this thing actually needs. Oh, it's made them all. Lovely jubbly. When components have been constructed, turn the welder on. Welders will automatically draw components from conveyor belts. Okay. Oh, son of a bitch, not K. T. Here we go, what's he making? Manufacture components for this piston to proceed. Okay. 6. Okay. Extend platform. Is this retract platform? Extend it. Wait, sit down. Haha! Look us go! Oh, we're stopped. Well, that was cool. 7. Drill and refine uranium and ingots to power the empty reactor. Okay. The drilling for metals and that is very satisfying. Like I said, the way that things warp and that, even though it's a voxel based thing, I really like it. It looks very real, even though it obviously isn't. Let's pick up these. Oh, what happened there? And pick up this, 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 and this. Let's refine these. This reactor requires uranium ingots to or can be opened. Oh, this is the reactor up here, I see. Place uranium ore into the refinery. After it has a lot of time to process withdrawal ingots. You don't need a huge amount. Oh. I should say it before I collected all that. Oh, we don't have too much. what I want to do is, well, that's going. This will probably be the last one we do because we're well over the normal time we do. Would you guys like to see more of this? I mean, I feel like I'd definitely like to play more of it. Yeah, it's very fun. I think it would be very fun, you know, like maybe a Team Nice server, like people that watch them and stuff, or like just with me and Luke and Rickety and Paragon running around space, building stuff, and in my case, destroying stuff. Because that's, I'll be honest with you, that's probably what I'm best at. There we go, that's probably had enough time to process. Let's get some... There we go, 0.1 uranium ingots. Hopefully that is enough to get through this one door. There we go. Press the button, press the button, press the button, press the button. Crouch underneath so we can get through. Yay!
Objective complete.
We did it! Now let's mine stuff, as we call at the end of this episode. So I hope you've enjoyed this Let's Look At, where we looked at oh, we don't have a jetpack. That sucks. I'm gonna try and mine through from one side to the other. Well, say goodbye. But we'll go triangle. Or right click. Just keep doing it. Look at that! Straight through. We built ourselves a wee tunnel. But let's take it this side and see if it's gonna collapse. Okay. I've got an idea. I'm gonna see if I can make this float off. But anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this episode of Let's Look At. If you want to see more of Space Engineers, let me know. Look at that! Why is that just floating there? Because we're in space. So if you jump into it... No, it's not going to work. I was going to try and get it to float... Oh, there's artificial gravity. Why is it not falling down? Huh? Oh. But anyway, hope you've enjoyed this episode of Let's Look At. If you did, and you want to see all the other stuff I do, hit subscribe. If you enjoyed this and want to see more Space Engineers, hit like and leave a comment. And I'll see you in the next one.